To be ethical is to feel responsible for the responsibility of others. Imagine that the brakes of the car are broken. The only thing that works is the wheel. The car can either go straight, hit the wall, and kill all the passengers, or the car can be programmed to go on its left and sacrifice the pedestrians. How do you boss on this?
The people who engage with the product who suffer the consequences.
Any other decision? All the safety systems are kaput. How do you decide?
Yeah, then of course the left one, like people in the car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm saying that the right one is the one that is ethically correct to your customers.
Would anyone like to pose a question?
It's particularly related to sustainability, what happens after consumption.
We are developing shampoo that needs less water to rinse.
To what extent L'Oreal is a leader in discussing business ethics?
It should be a mix of compliance and a program based on principle and values.
And any other questions?
Why we focus on ethics? Because ethics is the beauty of inside.
Thank you so much
You're
for
welcome.
your...
May ethics be with you.